Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic toothpaste at home. Making your own toothpaste offers fantastic benefits, giving you full control over what goes into your mouth. You can avoid harsh chemicals and artificial additives often found in commercial brands. Plus, it's a simple, cost-effective way to support your oral health naturally. Let's dive into the ingredients and steps. To start, you'll need just a few common items. Baking soda is excellent for gentle cleaning and whitening. Coconut oil, a fantastic natural ingredient, offers antimicrobial benefits for your gums. Xylitol, a natural sweetener, helps fight cavity-causing bacteria. Finally, essential oils like peppermint or spearmint will give your toothpaste a refreshing taste and scent. Making your toothpaste is surprisingly simple. First, in a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Next, add 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of xylitol for sweetness and cavity protection. Finally, add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite food-grade essential oil. Mix everything thoroughly until it forms a smooth paste. Once your toothpaste is mixed, transfer it to a small, airtight container. To use, simply scoop a small amount onto your toothbrush with a clean spoon or spatula. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes, twice a day, just as you would with commercial toothpaste. Feel free to adjust the amount of essential oil to achieve your preferred flavor and intensity. Enjoy your fresh, homemade toothpaste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.